How to buy crypto in Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy or sell crypto as well in Robinhood. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Robinhood application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to head into the particular crypto that you're looking to buy on the crypto detail page. In my case, I don't have the search bar, but if you have verified your account, you'll get the search bar at the bottom of the screen. You can use that to search for particular crypto. In my case, I'll just open this Bitcoin here. Now here, what you want to do is if you scroll down below, you'll get the option to buy or sell. In my case, it's not there since the verification, or you can see the send or receive option there. Similarly, you get buy or sell. So what you can do is you can simply enter the amount you like to buy or sell, select the frequency for this order such as one time or every month, then select review and swipe up to submit your order. So this way you can buy crypto on Robinhood and sell it as well. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.